Here are some tips that can help you learn English faster and better. Welcome to Teacher Amin's YouTube channel and Facebook page. In this video, I will explain how to learn English faster and better. Let's get started. Learning the English language can be challenging and exciting. Here I will help you improve your English learning experience in several ways. First and foremost, immerse yourself in the language as much as possible. Surrounding yourself with English materials, such as music, movies, TV shows, books, and articles, exposes you to authentic language usage. This helps you learn different vocabulary, expressions, and idioms. Additionally, consider setting your devices and social media accounts to English, providing constant exposure to the language. Next, establish a regular and consistent study routine. Dedicate a specific time each day to English practice, focusing on all 4 core language skills: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. This routine helps maintain a structured learning approach and ensures consistent engagement with the language. To further enhance your learning, leverage technology. There is a wide array of language learning apps and websites available, offering interactive exercises, vocabulary drills, grammar lessons, and pronunciation practice. Popular options include Duolingo, Babbel, and Memrise. These resources allow you to practice English at your own pace, track your progress, and receive instant feedback on your performance. In addition to technology-based learning, consider finding a language exchange partner. A language exchange partner is an English speaker who wants to practice another language, such as your native language. Websites like Tandem and HelloTalk can help you connect with language exchange partners worldwide. This exchange provides an opportunity to engage in conversations with native speakers, improving your listening and speaking skills while gaining cultural insights. If possible, enroll in English classes or find a tutor. Formal instruction offers a structured curriculum, guidance from experienced teachers, and a supportive learning environment. Classes or tutoring sessions can provide valuable feedback, mistakes correction, and opportunities for interactive practice with other learners. As you embark on your English learning journey, it's essential to develop effective study habits. Become familiar with the language by taking notes, creating flashcards, and reviewing them regularly. Break down your learning goals into smaller, achievable tasks and set deadlines to stay motivated. Practice regularly, even if it's for short periods, as consistent exposure to the language yields better results than sporadic study sessions. To strengthen your vocabulary, use word lists, flashcards, and mnemonic techniques. Aim to learn English words within their context by reading books, newspapers, and online articles. Additionally, you can listen to English podcasts and audiobooks, which enhance your listening skills while expanding your vocabulary. Grammar is an integral part of language learning. Familiarize yourself with English grammar rules and structures. Online resources, textbooks, and grammar exercises can help you understand grammar concepts effectively. Practice writing regularly, starting with simple sentences and progressing to more complex compositions. Consider having your writing reviewed by a teacher or a native speaker to receive feedback and suggestions for improvement. Pronunciation is another crucial aspect of learning English. Pay attention to word sounds, stress patterns, and intonation. Listen to native speakers, imitate their pronunciation, and practice speaking aloud. Apps and websites with pronunciation exercises, such as Forvo and Pronunciation Power, can be valuable tools for honing pronunciation skills. It's critical to remember that language learning is a gradual process, and progress may not always be immediate or linear. Be patient with yourself, embrace mistakes as learning opportunities, and celebrate your achievements along the way. Set realistic goals and acknowledge that consistent effort and practice are the keys to success. Finally, consider immersing yourself in an English-speaking environment, either by traveling to an English-speaking country. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, please visit Teacher Amin's YouTube channel, which you can find by clicking the link in the video description below.